all the work that they have been doing over the last year, and of course also the plans that they have for the years to come.
Absolutely. But before we kick off the session, we are very excited to present to you the world debut of the 2023 World Food Forum Anthem, written and performed by Mpiwa Intro, one of the most talented young singers-songwriters from Zimbabwe. Welcome.
Welcome, Mpiwa. Woo!
Hello everyone, bonjour à tous, ciao à tutti. Je m'appelle Mpiwa, or my name is Mpiwa, and I am from Zimbabwe. I am an Afrofusion musical artist, and this anthem is a very special one. Having written and performing it in front of each and every single one of you is an honor, because this anthem talks about bringing all of us together in conversation to effect change, both young people, both older people. Everyone, in fact, is just young, in my opinion. However, I'm very excited to perform this song so that it can inspire each and every single one of you to use your passions to effect change, as well as to inspire others. So I hope you enjoy.
La promesse c'est de courager le monde entier, notre responsabilité de créer l'égalité. To see the world heal, to see the world grow, we will give, we will sow with grace. Challenges we embrace together, yeah, together, yeah, together, yeah, together, yeah. Ensemble, yeah, on fait ensemble, yeah, ensemble, yeah, on fait ensemble, yeah. Come on, I need you guys to like snap or clap. You guys are just watching. This is an upbeat song. In harder times, we break the chain and unify. Muchete chino kunda, chikapachana chino budirira, chiribadiki asi chino kwanisa. Amsili kuti chiribanu benyasha. To see the world heal, see the world grow, we will give, we will sow with grace. Challenges we embrace together, yeah, together, yeah, together, yeah, insieme, yeah, ensemble, yeah, on fait ensemble, yeah, together, yeah, together, yeah, together, yeah, together, yeah. Je veux que tout le monde guérisse. As young people, we have the ability to change the world. Et chaque jour, nous la ferons ensemble.
Thank you so much, Mpiwa. What a powerful anthem, and I think a great start to this opening.